Dear student, today is our lecture number 9 in social science. Today I am starting our first chapter in history, that is tracing in the medieval period. Tracing the changes in the medieval period. Your first question will be that what is medieval period? Here I will explain you what is medieval period. Our history is divided into three parts: ancient history, medieval history and modern history. Okay, the period which lie between ancient history and modern history, that is called the medieval period. That is called the medieval history. Okay, it means the period which comes between the ancient history and the modern history, that is called the medieval history. The ancient history starts from the Stone Age to the 7th to 8th century, and medieval period start from 8th century to the 18th century, and the modern period start from 19th century to till date, means it is going on. Okay, these are the three parts of the history: ancient, medieval and modern. In 7th class you will study all chapters which is based on medieval history. Then you will raise the question, what is the meaning of medieval? The word medieval derived or come from the Latin word meaning middle. Okay, it is called the middle. See, I have already explained you the period which lie between the ancient and modern, that is the middle. That is called the medieval history. Okay. Now here you will study what changes came during the medieval period. Okay. During this period, India has seen so many changes in economic, political and religious changes, and there were so many changes also seen in the architecture and art. These were the changes, main changes which we will study in different lesson of medieval history. Okay. Now again I will tell you the medieval history is again divided into two parts. The early medieval period, that is 8th century to 13th century, and in this it includes the rules of Palas, Pratiharas, Cholas, Rashtrakutas, Rajput, etc. And then the late medieval period, which start from 13th century to 18th century. It includes the Turks, Afghans and Mughals. Here you will study how the invaders from the Middle East, they came India and they attacked on India and established their rule over many part of our country. In this segment, I have just given you small introduction of history or medieval history. In four coming chapters in our next segment, I will explain you different terminology, different changes which we will see in the medieval period. These topic will be the old and the new terminologies, social and political changes, major developments, old and new religion, and the sources. All these will be explained in your next segment. Okay. So first you learn what is history, what is medieval history, how many parts it is divided, and again the medieval history is divided in how many parts. You will learn about it, and if you have any question, then ask on WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.